Covering Wisconsin weather for 19 years, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Today's taste of fall will be a distant memory by the time we get to this time next week. Let's take a look at your 7-day temperature trend. It is going to warm up. Mid-70s tomorrow, upper 70s on Thursday, 80 on Friday, and then up into the 80s as we head into Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. In fact, we could be looking at our warmest temperatures of the entire summer as we head into Monday and Tuesday of next week. All right, let's not get too far ahead of ourselves here because right now we are dealing with cool conditions across all of northeast Wisconsin. 59 degrees in the Marinette, Menominee area. That is it. 60 in Kewaunee, 58 in Manitowoc. Many temperatures across northeast Wisconsin this afternoon and now this evening, running a good 15 to 20 degrees below normal for this time of year, but really nowhere near the coldest high temperatures on record for the month of July. Just back in 2000, we had a high of 58, and just last year, we had 2 days in the month of July with high temperatures only in the lower 60s. Right now it is 64 degrees in Appleton with cloudy skies. Clouds have been mixing with a little bit of sunshine in Green Bay for about the last 15 to 20 minutes or so. 66 degrees with northwest winds at around 14 miles per hour. Along with the cool conditions, plenty of clouds and some scattered showers. You can see those showers here developing during the late morning and early afternoon across the northwestern part of the viewing area and then shifting south. This evening we're still looking at some scattered showers here across parts of Manitowoc County down into Sheboygan County. Everything is drifting off towards the south and east and weakening. These showers are nowhere near what we saw last night when we had some showers and big thunderstorms develop, especially north and east of Green Bay. We had a thunderstorm that produced hail that covered the ground near Porterfield yesterday evening. Those thunderstorms that drifted off towards the south and east and then very slowly moved over central Door County just north of Sturgeon Bay. They were moving so slow and they were producing hail that they had enough umph to them, and then the fact that they were moving so slow, we saw 3 to 4 inches of hail actually accumulate on the ground with 3-foot drifts. Absolutely amazing. This is something that you would typically see maybe in Wyoming or Colorado or Nebraska, not necessarily here in northeast Wisconsin. And this is what Pat awoke to this morning. 6 to 7 hours after the hail fell, it was still covering the ground. Absolutely amazing. Looks like winter out there. Precision radar continues to show scattered showers rotating around a large area of low pressure across northern lower Michigan. That is our main weather maker today, but it's slowly pulling away. High pressure is going to build in. Underneath that ridge of high pressure, temperature is warming this afternoon, back up into the 70s, and those 70s will be moving east for tomorrow. Most of us will see a temperature jump of about 5 to 10 degrees compared to what we saw today, with lower to mid-70s expected by this tomorrow afternoon. Clearing tonight, lots of sunshine tomorrow morning. The clouds will bubble up in the afternoon with maybe a shower. So clearing and cool, lows in the 40s. The record low is 45. It's probably safe. Tomorrow morning, sunshine, then numerous cumulus as we move into the afternoon. A slight chance for a shower. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s, upper 70s on Thursday, 80 on Friday. Saturday and Sunday, lower 80s, lots of sunshine, a very, very slight chance of a thunderstorm. It looks like a better chance for some on and off thunderstorms or maybe a couple of thunderstorm complexes as we warm up next week. Highs getting up into the 80s and staying there.
How unusual is it to be this cold this time in July?
It happens. Just last year, we had 2 days with highs only in the lower 60s, and the actual high in Green Bay today, believe it or not, was 70, which is really not that bad.
It's like we block out when it gets cold because I never remember it being this cold.
No, you don't think about July being cool, and in January when the temperature hits 50, you're like, this is crazy, this never happens, but it does happen.
All right.